G'day guys and welcome back, and we have another Pro Mac project in. This is a Pro Mac 60. As you'll know if you follow the channel at all, I love these saws. They're pretty much bulletproof, the old Macs, or the old Pro Macs I should say, and they just seem to always come back to life pretty much no matter what. So we got this one in today for trades for some stuff. It turns over with pretty nice compression. Seems to all be in fairly alright order, although well used. Let's see what's in here. Oh, that's pretty dirty, but everything in there looks pretty good. Not too dirty at all in there. We've got a little homemade wrench for something of some sorts there. The oiler is stuck in there. Choke seems to work fine. Dolly lock seems to work alright, I think. Decompression there, all that. Muffler's a bit past it, but I'm not too concerned. So we're going to go through this thing today, see if we can get it running, and we'll go from there. So we'll chuck some fuel down the throat of the carb, see if it fires off. I'm sure it probably will. And we'll get some nice new liquid in that tank, and see if we can get to pull fuel. These carbies are pretty sturdy. I rarely find many rebuilds, so we'll see. And as quick as ever, that finishes off another Pro Mac. This little Pro Mac 60, stout little saw. It's a shame that this oiling push rod is broken off, and it's a shame that muffler on the other side's a bit rusted out, because this thing runs and cuts really well. As you would have seen there, it cuts really good. But it'll be going up for sale. I had it up on the stump out there, taking photos of it earlier. So it'll be heading off, as they all eventually do. But that is another one done. So as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.